Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Art where pretty much you can draw anything and I make it easy, okay? And today we're going to learn how to draw a birthday cake. That's going to be definitely a fun drawing. A lot of people have birthdays every year, of course, and it's always a good thing to draw on birthday cards and things like that. So today we're going to draw a nice birthday cake. And before we get started, let's make sure we're prepared for art with a pencil, or maybe two, if you want to make sure you have one in case one breaks. We also have an eraser in case we make a mistake, and then we want to erase it. We can also have a Sharpie or a black pen to do our outline at the end. And then of course, if you guys have any colors that you want for your birthday cake, make sure to grab those as well, okay? So let's get started here with our birthday cake, and we're going to make it a 3-tier cake. That's 3 sections, kind of like a snowman. The first section will be on the top and it'll be the smallest section. So I'm going to turn my paper a little bit sideways because it helps me. We're going to make a small oval, a very long, small oval shape at the top. Okay, so kind of like this. Long oval shape. Okay. And then on the sides of our oval, we're going to put straight lines down. One here, one here. Think about like that. Okay? And then the bottom, we're going to just do like a shape like this, a curved line. So just this part is just going to be curved, to show that this is a circle or a cylinder shaped cake. Okay, so it kind of looks like a tuna can or something like that. All right, the next oval is going to be kind of on the underneath of this one. So we're going to start right about here. We're going to do a curved line and then come right around and back. So we'll start here, curved line, and do another oval. This oval will be a little bit bigger than that oval. It's the middle section. Okay, go right to there. As you can kind of see, it kind of looks like a hat. And we're going to do again 2 straight lines down. 1, 2. It's okay if it doesn't look perfect right now. We can always erase and fix it when we color it and do our outlining. And then the last part of our cake, the last section of our cake will be the biggest part at the bottom. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start about here. We're going to do a round oval shape. And we also have to finish this one, okay guys? So let's just make sure to finish this. We'll just curve this line just like we did before. Curved line. Okay, sorry about that. Now we're gonna do the next oval. So we'll start about here. We're gonna do a round oval shape around to the back. So we'll start here. Oval shape. Get it where you want it. It's nice to have a pencil, guys, because if you mess up, you can always erase pencil. I never really do drawings the first time with like a pen or a marker. I always start with a pencil for this reason. Okay, there we go. And then 2 straight lines down again. 1, 2. And then we're going to end it with that curved line. Perfect. Okay, so you can see we have 3 sections or 3 tiers of our cake. Really awesome, looking great. Now we can basically decorate our cake. So what I'm going to start with, I'm going to do some candles. So I'll start right about in the middle. Do some straight lines up, some straight rectangles. Maybe I'll do 3 or 4. Maybe this person's about 4 years old. Do 4. Those are the candles of the cake. And then of course, if you do candles, make sure to erase that line in your candle. So right there, right there, right there, and right there. Okay, perfect. And then just to put on the top of our candle a little flame, I'm just gonna do like a drop of water or like a teardrop, just like this. Curved line and point at the top. Rounded at the bottom, pointed at the top. Okay, great. We got some candles, and maybe our candles have some swirls on them. I'm just gonna do some diagonal lines down the candle to show some nice swirly candles, and then I can color it later if I want and make them nice. Okay, great. And then next, like I said, we basically just have to decorate your cake. So I'm thinking maybe some flowers on my cake, maybe some roses, and maybe some bows or something like that. So I'm just gonna do around this section, and this section, just maybe some bows on the cake. So I'm just gonna draw a circle. And then I'm gonna kind of do like a big fat triangle sort of shape at the edge. So we're gonna curve out, come down, curve back. Curve out, down, back. And there's a nice bow. All right, maybe it has some ribbons on it. Like this. And then we'll just do another one. Circle. Right, curved out, down, back, out, down, back. And maybe we'll do the bow on this one as well. So we'll just do like a curved line, a V, and then a curve back. Okay, and one more bow. This will be the biggest bow because it's the biggest piece of cake. Bigger circle, curved line out, down, and back, out, down, and back. And then we just do the bow at the a little bit bigger on the bottom. It's probably going to be a girl's cake, I think. Okay, great. And now we'll just do some flowers here. So maybe we'll do some like rose-looking flowers. So we'll just do some squiggly lines in a circle. If that makes sense. You can do a squiggly line, but have it go around into a circle. You guys can see that. I'll do a bigger one down here. So round but squiggly. Right? And then I'm just doing more lines in the middle to show that. More squiggly lines making a circle. These are just going to be my roses. If you ever see a rose, they have just lots of layers, and it's kind of hard to draw them like perfectly, so I do these. Squiggly lines in a circle. And then we can just do the leaves on the edges. That. So a curved line out, make a leaf. Line out, like a kind of a football shape to make the leaves. A line in the middle. Line out, like a football, a line in the middle. And if there's any lines that you find that you need to erase them. I think that's pretty good for now for our cake. So what I'm gonna do next, guys, I'm gonna outline everything with a nice black color, and then I'm gonna color everything real nice and pretty for you. We're gonna fast forward through everything, and then we'll talk after, okay? And here we go. Alright guys, I think we're all finished with our beautiful birthday cake. And I hope your guys came out just as good, if not better than my cake. And if you can see, I definitely chose to go with a more pink and red cake with some bows and some roses on it, things like that. Now, of course, you guys can decorate your cake any way you want. If you want to put different things on it, rainbows, sparkles, whatever you guys want is absolutely fine. So that's the best part about art. And I hope you had fun drawing today. And if you guys want to learn more and if you want to draw more with me, please just subscribe to the channel. It's free. And we can learn to draw pretty much anything and make it easy. Okay, and as always, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day and a good rest of your summer. And take it easy.